Argentine Empanadas. 1 quantity of classic dough. 2 onions, sliced. 1 red pepper, sliced. Sunflower oil. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 500 grams minced beef. 2 teaspoons chili flakes. 1½ tablespoon ground cumin. 3 teaspoons paprika. 3 teaspoons ground cinnamon. 6 spring onions, green part only, chopped. 3 egg yolks, beaten. Classic dough, for baking. 1. Cut 325 grams of unsalted butter into small cubes. Sift 1 kilogram of plain, all-purpose, flour into a large bowl. Add 25 grams of salt and the cubes of butter. 2. Rub the butter into the flour and salt with your hands until you have a sandy texture with no lumps. 3. Add 35 milliliters of water and combine with the flour mixture using your hands. Add a little more water if necessary. Knead the dough on a lightly floured work surface for 10-15 minutes. 4. Form into a ball. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. Directions. 1. Sauté the onion and capsicum in a saucepan with a little oil over low heat for 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. 2. Remove the vegetables from the saucepan and set aside. To the same saucepan, add a little more oil and sauté the meat over high heat. Once the meat has browned, reduce heat to low and add the onion and capsicum. Continue cooking for about 15 minutes. Stirring from time to time. 3. Stir in the cumin, paprika and cinnamon and mix well. Let the filling rest for 24 hours in the refrigerator, if possible, for a more intense flavor. Stir the spring onion into the mixture before assembling the empanadas. 4. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit/gas 5. Sprinkle a little flour on the work surface. Roll out the dough to a thickness of 3 mm, superscript 1/8 inch, and cut out circles with a 14 cm, 5½ inch, cutter. Using a 60 ml, 2 fluid ounces/1/4 cup, ice cream scoop or measuring cup, form small balls of filling and place one on each round of dough. Lightly moisten the edge of the dough with a little water and fold over into a half-moon shape. Seal the edges. Set aside in the refrigerator if not cooking immediately. 5. Arrange the empanadas on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Brush with egg yolk and bake for 20 minutes, or until golden and cooked. Allow them to cool for a few minutes before serving.